The Bachelor of Science degree in Resort and Attraction Management is BGSU's newest degree program. It is a result of a partnership between Cedar Fair and Bowling Green State University.
Cedar Fair is a large amusement park industry company. There's 13 parks nationwide, from California to the Carolinas and everywhere in between. We even have a park in Canada. Our flagship property is Cedar Point, right in Sandusky, which is also where Cedar Fair is headquartered. So the BGSU Resort and Attraction Management program that Cedar Fair is now partnered with Bowling Green with, it's an awesome opportunity for students to gain hands-on experience in the industry that are really looking to go into the career of hospitality, tourism, and amusement park management.
So I've always had a passion for the amusement park industry. Ever since I was a kid, I've always wanted to work at an amusement park. Finally, once I turned 18, I was able to work at Cedar Point. I kind of just fell in love with it. Over the past 3 years, I've worked in a couple different departments, and I just kind of know that it's for me. I love doing it. I love being able to help people.
The purpose of the degree program is to prepare students for management positions in the broad umbrella of tourism, which includes a variety of businesses, including, of course, theme and amusement parks, resorts, hotels, food and beverage, sports and entertainment complexes.
All the BGSU faculty and all of our Cedar Fair leadership are 100% committed to serving as resources to these students to ensure that their career and academic goals are met.
So every student who is admitted into the Bachelor of Science degree program in Resort and Attraction Management, they are guaranteed these customizable co-op. The last 2 years of the program, it has a strong management focus. So there's a lot of different classes that's focused on hiring and legal issues and facilities management, resort and food and beverage management. These classes are all going to be offered in our brand new facility in downtown Sandusky.
I had just seen on social media that there were talks about this program.
I think is going to definitely benefit not only me, but the students in this program for who want to pursue a career in this industry. It's going to be an awesome experience.